We are the Virginia Youth Climate Cooperative.
And we are an intersectional youth-led movement fighting for climate justice.
We place an emphasis on intersectional because it is a crucial component in our advocacy. The word intersectional originates from the concept of intersectionality.
The term intersectionality was coined by Black feminist scholar Kimberly Crenshaw, who explained it like this. Intersectionality is a lens through which you can see where power comes and collides, where it interlocks and intersects. It's not simply that there's a race problem here, a gender problem here, and a class or LGBTQ problem there.
In other words, intersectionality accounts for how various issues compound. Previously, we have organized climate strikes across Virginia, hosted educational initiatives and calls to actions, and have worked with our politicians on state climate policies.
This video is the first part of our new initiative on environmental racism. Environmental racism refers to how BIPOC communities are disproportionately affected by environmental issues. It is the intersection between racial and environmental injustice. We'll define it in more detail and discuss specific examples in upcoming posts and events.
We'll be posting content for this initiative each month. Not only will we be posting videos, but we'll also be posting
articles, educational slides, infographics, etc.
Check out our recent environmental racism infographic to learn the basics of this important issue.
Up next, we'll be posting specific examples of environmental racism within each region of our state. No matter where you are in Virginia, environmental racism has had some type of impact, be it through redlining, pipeline construction in majority BIPOC areas, and etc.
Environmental racism is such a pressing issue here in Virginia. Our goal is to spread awareness and pinpoint instances of environmental racism right here at home.
Understanding environmental racism and how it affects us specifically in Virginia is a must in the fight for equitable climate solutions. We hope you find this initiative educational, and we are excited to jumpstart this initiative. See you soon!